Hello and welcome back to HardReset.info. In this video, I will show you how to enable loop recording on DJI Mic 3. Let's begin! First, you want to swipe from the top to the bottom. Then, let's enter transmitter settings and let's keep scrolling left until we'll see loop recording. As you can see, by default this is actually enabled, which is quite interesting, but we can click that and we can turn it off. And note that this will apply to all connected transmitters. However, if you want to, you can always keep that on, just like me. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching. See you next time.